Hi YouTube, this is the basket off my Philips air fryer, and if this happens to you, I'm going to show you how to fix it. See you in a little bit. Alright, I'm back. Alright, now the way to fix this, here's the problem with this basket here. A lot of them have a screw here and here. The problem with the Philips basket, it's all riveted on, so you can't take it off. So instead of cutting out or drilling out the rivets and putting in screws, I just decided to make two holes here. I start with an 1/8 inch drill bit, then I enlarged it to a 1/4 inch drill bit. Now this is going to give me the access to these screws back here. So I'm going to take this one out. Let's start with here. And I didn't want to make that hole too high where that lip is, where this ridge is, because I really don't know why. Maybe that's part of the basket holding it or everything. So let's go with this one. Now let's see if we're going to get this handle to tighten up. Hopefully there's something back here. I saw Mario's video, but I can't remember which brand he did, and there was just a screw back there to tighten it up. So hopefully this is the same thing. Alright, and this one here is almost out. Alright, got the last screw out here. Alright, here we go. And sure enough, it looks just like the other one, just like the other brand. It's just these rivets here will prevent you from accessing them. I guess I could have used one of those little socket things, but I don't think I would have been able to get to it. Alright, that one needs a little bit of a turn. That one probably about almost 3/4 to a full turn, and that one just a little over a turn. Alright, so these are nice and tight, and since it's open, give it a wipe, and let's see if we can put this thing back together again. Alright, so it just fits in like that. It's kind of keyed in there, so let's see if we could just go right through here. Yeah, you know what? I could probably just as easily hold it. Yeah, it's better that. Just hold it like that. Okay, that one's tight. We'll go to this corner over here. This angle is a little tricky, but with this nice small screwdriver here, there we go. Alright, back down the top corner here. A little slipping there. There we go. Gotta keep that pressure on because of the angle. Alright, it's tight. Here comes the last screw, and hopefully I can get it through here. Alright, this one's pretty much straightforward here, so this one's pretty easy. Alright, now the moment of truth. Let me get the basket real quick. Alright, here's the basket. And much tighter. And there you go. That fixes it. So This is the only way to fix the Phillips. I wish there was an easier way. I'm sure if you have that nice little tiny screwdriver ratchet thing, I guess you can probably do it, but this, you know, you got to get a little bit more torque on it to get it. So if you need some help, watch this video, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks a lot. Bye.